Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection problems. The first thing that you need to do is opening the settings, of course. So open the settings and straight from here open connections. Tap Wi-Fi and the first thing, step 1, forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Tap the square icon near your Wi-Fi network and select forget. Now you need to again try connecting with the network. Tap it and enter the password. Connect. Everything should be nice. If it doesn't work, oh, I got incorrect password. Okay, I forgot one. If it still doesn't work, you need to do one simple thing. Forget it again, turn the Wi-Fi off for 10 seconds and then turn it back on and try pairing with the network back again. If it doesn't work still, unpair from the network and tap the network back again. But before entering the password, tap View More. Tap here MAC address type and select full MAC instead of randomized MAC. By default, when you use this randomized MAC addresses for privacy, some home and enterprise routers block or drop connections from randomized MACs. So select here full MAC and enter the password. Now everything should be nice. If it still doesn't work, you need to go this and tap this three dots in the top right corner and tap here intelligent Wi-Fi. Make sure that detect suspicious network is disabled just for a moment. When you use automated power saving features can prematurely put the Wi-Fi modem to sleep or force unnecessary cellular handoffs, and of course can worsen the Wi-Fi, trying to make the privacy better. So once you disable the detect suspicious network, everything should be nice. Apart from that, here tap advanced settings, and now here we've got Hotspot 2.0. Disable it also and disable WEP networks. After disabling all these options, everything should be nice. If it's still not nice, we need to go even deeper. Go to the normal settings menu, the first one, and scroll all the way down. Tap General Management and here tap Reset. Here we've got Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap it and confirm by tapping Reset. Now we've got every single setting reset. After this reset, everything should change and now your Wi-Fi should be working fine. Let's go and check. Connections, Wi-Fi, our network and password. So now everything should be working fine. This reset should restore factory default network configurations like safe Wi-Fi password, DNS, and paired to devices without deleting personal photos, apps, or data. So apart from that, you need to go back to the connections. Of course, if it still doesn't work, if it works now, don't do it. And here you need to tap More Connection Settings. Here we've got Private DNS and select Off or Automatic, like we've got here. Disable Private DNS provider host name. And here we've got VPN. If you've got any VPNs enabled, just delete any connection. And now everything should be working nice. If it's still not working nice, you need to contact the device support, try resetting your phone from time to time, and actually I think that contacting Samsung company should be crucial here. That's it. Hope it helps you. Bye.